It actually works on my Raycons. We will see about that. As you can see, it 100% works on my partner Adam's Apple Watch. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. It is tech time. We're going to take a look at something from the electronic realm. We've looked at this brand before in the past, namely their power bank that was sent my way, which is kind of the same of what we're doing today. The brand Tufon reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in taking a look at this device that we're looking at today, and obviously I said yes. Even though I did not pay for it out of my own money, it was sent my way. I'm still going to give it my honest thoughts and opinions based on my first experience, my first impressions, all of that. If you're brand new here and you like watching reviews, first impressions, all of that, why don't you consider subscribing, ringing the notification bell, doing all the things, because there's always more to look at on the channel. What we are looking at today, and we usually stick to skincare and men's fashion, but we do kind of dabble in other areas, is the Magfold Qi2 3-in-1 wireless charger from the brand Tufon. And this retails for $89.99 Australian dollars, and I will do the conversion down the bottom. Now on the website, what is it supposed to actually do? There is several components to it. Under the description tab, it is 15 watt ultra fast Qi2 charging. Experience high-speed 15 watt charging with Qi2 certification. This charger delivers exceptional performance and redefines fast charging. We will see about that. Seamlessly compatible with MagSafe. It's 3-in-1 charging for Apple devices. Charge your iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch all at the same time with the included 30 watt USB-C PD wall charger. You get hassle-free and efficient charging every time. Now I only have an iPhone, but I do have a Fitbit and various other, in that cardboard box just there, various other versions of earbuds, headphones, etc. So we'll see if it works on that, even though it doesn't claim it's going to. Compact foldable design for travel. Lightweight and easy to carry, this wireless charging station folds into a compact size, making it ideal for travel for your busy lifestyle. It includes a handy travel case. Okay, that's cool. To keep everything organized, no more tangled cables. Doubles as a handy phone stand. Use it as a phone stand too. Whether you're watching a movie or catching up on FaceTime, you can adjust your phone horizontally or vertically for the perfect angle. Tidy up the charging space. Keep your home, office or travel bag clutter-free with this sleek charging solution. Charge multiple devices at once without the mess of extra cables. Safety first with Entire Protect. Stay worry-free with built-in safety features like temperature control, short circuit protection, and foreign object detection. It's designed to give you a safe and reliable charging experience every time. And then lastly, compatible devices. Okay, for iPhone 12 series or later, AirPods 3.2 Pro, Apple Watch all series, official MagSafe cases, Tufon magnetic cases. The connector type is USB-C Type-C. Included components within the box: Tufon Magfold Qi2 3-in-1 wireless charger, 30 watt PD charger, USB-C to USB-C cable, user manual, 12-month warranty, travel case. Now this actually did not take long whatsoever to be delivered. From the last email in which we agreed upon what it was. Now it's important to note, when companies do send products my way, I don't accept payment. I have had multiple companies reach out and they want to pay me for my time, but the product, in my opinion, is payment enough, and I also don't want a company to then think that they can pay me to say it's good when it's not. That's why I like to keep my thoughts and opinions authentic and honest. As we open up the box, you can see the travel case right within, and here it is like so. It's very compact, very sleek. I like that it's got a carry handle. You could attach it to anything. There's a bit of weight to it. It comes with a double zipper. Really like that. It's very, very tidy. On the inside, we have the manual. You have what I'm assuming cables to charge right here, and then the component itself. All safe within elastic bands within the case. So under the netting is the USB-C to USB-C cable. The quick start guide is actually very, very quick. Instructions for use. Connect to power, plug the device into a power outlet. Place charging devices, place your phone, earphones or smartwatch in the corresponding charging areas for normal charging. I'll take a photo of the quick start guide. There's only 5 steps and put it on the screen. We have the plug that goes into the outlet, and I'm happy to say that it is Australian compatible. There's been multiple things that I've received and it's American. I've got to use the converter in the background. You can see here, USB-C slot goes in there. And then the actual device, I can see me getting a lot of use out of this. Obviously I use a lot of technology to film, capture, all of that stuff. And to have one that's portable, very handy. Kind of looks like an old style Motorola flip phone. We have the protective plastic that just goes on top of the charge pad. It flips out like so. You can see there is a embossed image of an AirPod case on here. Pretty certain that flips up for the watch. And then we have the charge pad for the phone. Now I'm going to plug this in and we'll see if it will receive any of my other AirPods, headphones, etc. in the background. That's in that cardboard box just here. Because I don't have AirPods, so we'll take a look. We will try it on my Fitbit, even though it doesn't say it's going to work on anything outside of Apple. And I'm not going to judge it based if it doesn't. But if it does, bonus. So I'm just taking the cord out, and I really like that their stuff, it's very quality. The last 2 things that I've received, or this one and then the last one, the one thing that I really like about electronics that you can tell is quality, when the cords are reinforced and it's got kind of like a twine bound around the actual cord itself. So kind of, you remember old school Apple cords, charging cords? Over time they fray and they fall apart, that rubber. Whereas this is not going to do that. Now I just tested this on my own phone. This is an old phone of Adam's that he uses for logins to work from home. Just magnetizes on like that. You can see it's switching on, and you see the little charging icon up in the corner here, 23%. Now when I put mine on, the screen lit up with a charging icon. It's definitely not working on my watch, but that's okay. It wasn't supposed to work on Fitbits anyway, but it was worth a try. I would be interested to see if this will work on Adam's, because he does have an Apple Watch. As you can see, it 100% works on my partner Adam's Apple Watch. It's only been on there for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and it's almost fully charged. It was at 1%. It actually works on my Raycons. Now I know I've got quite a few of these headphones. A lot of these were tested by myself. It works on the Raycons. Didn't work on my Soundpeats, didn't work on JBL. Tried it on these other Soundpeats, didn't work on those. We'll try these ones. Don't really see any of the lights lighting up, so that's a no. And I don't know where the cord is, it's there. And that's a no for that. So it definitely works on the Raycon. See, the little light comes on. I think we're onto a winner here. I can see myself using this quite a lot, or even if not myself, I can see Adam getting a lot of use out of this. It's kind of making me wish that I had more Apple products to test it on. But when Adam gets back from his run, I will definitely be testing it on that to see how useful it really is. But as it stands, I am definitely a fan. I will link everything down below if you wish to check it out for yourself. And if you do, as always, I like to hear your experience. Is it the same? Is it not? I'm always curious. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all of the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.